My name's Christopher Jakovets. I'm in the engineering team at PAI, and this is our Inspec Vision gasket table.
The Inspec Vision gasket table uses proprietary light control technology to allow us to precisely measure our specifications for our parts.
It all starts with one scan.
We place gaskets on the table that you see behind me, and a large camera up in the arm takes a photo of the part. This photo is such high resolution that we get 1 to 2,000 accuracy. That photo is then converted into a digital document that our engineers use to generate our inspection specifications.
Previously, we would have to measure our incoming gaskets with tools such as calipers. But now, with this machine, it saves us on time and ensures quality for our customers.
Once we get our dimensions, we transfer our drawing file from our 3D modeling software to the table. From there, we make our inspection file where we highlight all the key dimensions that make this gasket quality, give all the tolerances necessary, and set everything in place for our inspectors to come in to inspect all the key dimensions of the gaskets. From there, if they're approved, they go forward into stock, then packaging, and ready to be shipped to our customers.
Gaskets can be thin, big, small, all different shapes and sizes. We're able to measure everything up to cylinder head gaskets, oil pan gaskets, and the most complicated gaskets that are found inside of an engine.
It is because this table is very accurate that PAI can rest assured all its gaskets are to quality.
Greatly improves our ability to measure gaskets quickly, effectively, and accurately, and really make sure that we're giving you the best quality part we possibly can.